Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600 and concept is pronoun. Look at sentence, it says the bank holds $3 million in loans that are seriously delinquent or in such trouble that they do not expect payments when due. Alright, so first of all, they. What is mean of they here? It's been what? Bank do not expect payment, right? And bank is singular, that's why it should be it. So at least option A out and B, C, D fine. Now, next pronoun that's called it is. So it does not expect payments when it is due. So what is due here? Payments due, right? So when payments means what? Plural, that's why it. No, it should be they. Payments are due, so it should be they. Option B out. It does not expect payments to be made when they are due means payments are due. Fine. Option D. Payments are not to be expected to be paid when due. Exaggeration, and all the sentences are in the passive voice, along with it is changing meaning. So option D out. E says payments are not expected to be paid when they will be. Remember, whenever there is when, we do not use future word, auxiliary verb will or would. Let me repeat, when it is when and if. After when, after if. Will and would not used, and that's why option E out. C remains best option.